Welcome back to the Integrated Leader Podcast. I am Lauren Marie, and this week I'm walking you through how to turn your DISC and driving forces report into real-life leadership growth. These episodes are designed especially for my current clients, but if you're new here or haven't taken the assessment yet, stick around. You're about to learn how to tap into the hidden motivators that fuel your energy, decision-making, and resilience at work. And if this sparks something in you, send me an email at laurenmarie@kutskoconsulting.com. Mention the podcast and I'll send you a free custom mini report or reflection tool to get started. So today we're talking about your fuel map, the section of the report that outlines your top 4 driving forces. If DISC is about how you behave, driving forces is why. Why you say yes, why you avoid things, why certain tasks feel like heavy lifting while others feel almost effortless. Let me give you an example using mine. My top driving forces are receptive. I love shaking things up, new ideas, new methods, new models. I get energized by freedom from rigid structure. Intellectual. I thrive when I'm learning or teaching something new. Harmonious. I care deeply about the environment, emotional tone, visual design, and the overall vibe. And then intentional. I'm at my best when I know why I'm helping you, not just that I'm helping. So when those are honored, I am on fire. And when those things are blocked, when I'm stuck in repetitive work or in an environment that feels off, I get so drained. Even if I am doing good, we're not measuring your skill or ability. I might not be good at doing podcasts and videos, but I like doing it, okay? So this is what motivates me. This is what gets me out of my chair, and it will be different for you. So the exercise is to open your report, go to the primary driving forces cluster page, and you will see 4 bars on a graph, and those are your top motivators. And here's what I want you to reflect on. What kind of work or environment energizes you when this motivator is being honored? What drains you when it's ignored or suppressed? And in your current role, where is the fuel being used? And where is it leaking? This is how burnout sneaks up, not always from too much work, but from too little alignment. Now, let's take it one step further in making it practical. Open up ChatGPT and use this prompt. Here are my top 4 driving forces, and then copy and paste yours in. Suggest 3 workday rituals, leadership habits, or environmental tweaks that will help me feel energized and aligned this week. You'll probably get a list of custom suggestions from how you structure your mornings to how you approach meetings and what kind of team dynamics to lean into. Let AI help you prototype a better week. It's a tool. When you understand what fuels you, you can say yes to the right things, no with less guilt, and structure your time in a way that actually sustains you. Tomorrow, we'll talk about support, specifically how to use keys to managing section of your report to advocate for what you need to stay in flow at your job. And as always, if you're not a client yet, but you're ready to understand what fuels your best work, email me at laurenmarie@kutskoconsulting.com and mention the podcast, and I'll send you a free resource to start your own fuel map today. See you tomorrow on the Integrated Leader Podcast.